Notice, please install the product on a flat and level surface. Adjust the 3 lower cabinet components to the same height. Align them and connect using screws. A total of 4 screw connections are required. Use connector plates to join the bottom parts. 3 connector plates need to be installed at the bottom. Connect each waterproof socket to the main electrical box according to the labels. Insert the 3 support columns of the upper frame into the holes. Tighten the screws. Also, tighten the screws at the bottom of the countertop. Install the faucet. Align the 4 corners of the countertop with the positioning stoppers. Tighten the waterproof plug of the induction cooker to the waterproof base. Then install the countertop assembly onto the cabinet body. Assemble the countertop frame. Tighten the screws. Remove the control panel and use screws to lock the entire stove assembly from top to bottom. Connect the drain and water supply pipes using quick connectors. Assemble the grease trap and drainage system. Assemble the oil drain valve. Assemble the side movable ceiling panel. Install the side cabinet doors. Install the control panel. Install the kickboard.